I'm not gonna say anything, just Universal Studios.
Yeah, all you're gonna see when you touch my boob with the camera.
He looks like Jimmy.
He does. He doesn't do anything.
Still nice to look at.
No!
Did you actually get it?
I have no idea.
Hey! Where's mine?
Hey, that was actually mine. Ow! Smacking my foot does me no good.
Whoa there, girlfriend.
When you play this game with these, if you go like this, you win.
But if you go like it says to, you lose.
Yeah. You know, the video's gonna be messed up if you keep it really long.
What?
If you keep this video over a minute or something, it messes up because the camera's gay.